Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share my gratis for the month of September. If this is your first time clicking on my channel, really quick, I do work for Sephora and we do get gratis once a month. So I'm here to share my September bag, you all. And when I tell you, she's a good bag. So if you want to see what Miss Tamika got for the month of September, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here gratis haul. Let me just start off with showing you the bag. Like, do you see this bag? This bag is huge. I didn't peek in it this time. We are going to see what's in this bag together. Do you hear me? Like, we're going to see what's in this bag, y'all. Because when I tell you she is full, like, she is full. Oh my gosh, you all. Sneak peek. Do you see that? Like, oh my gosh. I would love to work in the gratis haul warehouse. Like, oh my gosh, to get to fill these bags up for Sephora employees, like, that would be so much fun to me, because I'd be like, oh, look what she got, oh, look what she got. I hasn't received this big of a gratis. Like I said in my previous videos, I did move up in status, so that's why your girl gets bigger gratis. Like I said, I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm gonna just pull stuff out. Top, we have another beauty blender. Beauty blenders to me are like underwear. You can never have enough. So I have a few beauty blenders. So this will just add to my beauty blender collection. Got the new Huda foundation. This hair shade is a little dark, so I'm hoping and praying I can make it work, because once you order your shade, you can't switch it or trade it or anything like that. And it's not too many girls at my Sephora that's my shade, so say I'm just stuck with it. So I may try and use like a lighter concealer to see if that works, but if not, because I had the shade that I like is the 440G, and I got the 455R, which is the peanut butter cup. So I'm hoping and praying it could work, like I can work with it. I got you all. This right here, I was so excited to get, because this is the new Charlotte Tilbury mascara. Y'all, when I tell you this mascara is bomb.com, like, oh my gosh, the packaging is 10 out of 10. It's like glass. Like, it's made very well. It's not made out of plastic, because you know, a lot of the mascaras, they are made out of plastic. But this one here, oh my gosh, you all. This is so freaking amazing. When I tell you this hair mascara is bomb.com, and this hair mascara is under $30, you all. When I tell you I love this mascara, like, oh my gosh, you all, this mascara, I cannot wait to use this when I do my no makeup. We got the Kiehl's Auto Tune Discoloration and UV Solution. So we got that. Soft matte foundation. Ooh, I wanted to get this, you all, but I was like, this is why I don't want to keep buying stuff every time it comes out. Actually, get it in gratis. So yeah, we got the new foundation. I cannot wait to try this. Like, I am excited. I did not know I was getting that, because we do our gratis like 3 months in advance. So when we did September's, it was sometime in the summer, and I sometimes can't even remember what's going on today, let alone what I ordered like 2 to 3 months ago. So I'm excited to try this, y'all. Fragrance. This here. I got my little mini me. What you peeking? Mush the meat up. So yeah, we got this fragrance. This is like Christmas, you know? Like, ooh. And I got another Hourglass concealer. I already have one. Let me see shade. So yeah, I have, this is the one I have. So I think the one that I just ordered is a little lighter, as you can see. What I'm gonna start doing is, if I'm not sure about the shade, I'm gonna just do a shade lighter, because I feel like if it's lighter, you can make it work versus it being too dark. So because I'm wearing a Huda now, I just used a sample that I bought home So I'm hoping I can make that peanut butter cup work. Oh, we got the peachy. We got the new Kosas Cloud Set sheer powder. Why did I get peachy? What peachy look like? So here's the packaging. Okay, why is it peachy? What did I get peachy for? So here's the shade. So this is like a what is this? Super soft sheer setting and smoothing powder. So let's see if it took away the shine. Something I can throw in my purse, and it already have the little T on it. So we got that. Ooh, another foundation. Okay, I got another Cadiz. I think I have Cadiz already. Macau. And then here's Cadiz. I think this was like one of their newest shades. So here is that. See, this will pause on buying my own foundations because I have so much foundation and there's only one face. Like, I don't do makeup on the side, so this is just one face that has all of this foundation. Like, from Olaplex, this must be something new. This here is the Olaplex number 5 leave-in conditioner. So we got that. From Goop Beauty, this here is a Cloudberry exfoliating gel cleanser. Okay. Then we got some, ooh, Fenty Hair the Comeback Kid. And this here is a instant damage repair treatment. I'm happy to get this, y'all, because when I tell you my hair is really bad. So yeah, I'm happy that we got this so I can try this out. Like, my hair is really thin. And I'm not on any medication, so it could be just that I'm getting older and that's why. But yeah, my hair is really thin. I call myself doing a quick weave. I just threw this on because, y'all, my leave out was needing a press. And I'm just like, I'm tired of putting heat to it. So I said, I'm going to just throw this on really quick because I'm not trying to damage my hair by constantly putting heat in it. But there we got the Boy Brow. So yes, honey, this here is one of their new brow pencils. And it's like a micro pencil. So here is the little tip. And then the brush. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I got the warm dark brown. This here Josie Maran lotion. And this here is the Bohemian Fig. Oh, I'm excited about this. We got the new House Labs eyeliner. This is supposed to help to be able to do a wing liner. I'll probably practice really quick before I take my makeup off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am so happy for this hair product because I was going to buy this hair primer. Like, I put it on hold twice and I kept forgetting to get it. I'm glad I didn't get it because I ended up getting it in gratis. Like, I didn't even know we were getting this because this goes hand in hand. Comb free smoothing primer. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, this primer is so bomb. Okay, Huda. So we got some good stuff, y'all. So moving on to my next item. This here is by Rare Beauty and this here is their pressed powder. I'm purchasing this to go with the pressed powder because it came in this hair pouch, but they give you a backup. And I like the fact that it comes with a pouch because, you know, when after you use your powder, where you gonna put your little puffy at? You know, where you gonna put your little puff thing at? So I like the fact that it comes in this hair pouch. And again, this here is like a setting powder, newest setting powder. So yeah, this is more so like a good touch-up powder, just like that Kosas powder. I have the puff to go along with it. Dermalogica. Yeah. Dermalogica. And this here is a, like I said, an overnight brightening serum. Oh my gosh, y'all. I got the new Patrick Tile. Now, see, this is one of the ones that I picked the wrong shade. Like a shade a little too dark, but guess what? Miss Tamika gonna make this work. You know, like, we gonna make this work because I like the 20, but I ended up getting a 21. So not too dark, hopefully. But like I said, if it is, I'ma just add like a light concealer because we not letting this go to waste. Like, we are not letting this go to waste. When I tell you I'm so excited that we got this, like, y'all could have put the T on the top. But it's giving like Tom Ford vibes, right? Tom Ford foundation. That's what it's giving Tom Ford vibe. I like the shade 20 because I like my foundations to be a little lighter. Not light where it don't match, but just a little light because I like the bronze and contour. So fingers crossed I can make this work. We getting down. So moving on to my next item, we got the Ordinary Body Care, and this does have niacinamide, 5%. 5% is a face and body cream. So this here is new to the Ordinary, and it is a pump. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. So got the House Labs concealer. I don't think I had the House Labs concealer. Again, I hope I picked the right shade. This here is 34 medium. I think I may have picked the right shade because we had this on the floor, so I was able to check. Yeah, this looks like my shade. So I'm happy about that. Oh, I got the Giorgio Armani foundation, and I got the shade. I think this is 9. I think it's number 9. So again, I hope I picked the right shade. So this is the Luminous Silk foundation, y'all. When I tell you, I heard so many people rave about this hair foundation. So I can't wait to try. This is by no foundation, like none. I have the Giorgio Armani, the Patrick Ta, the NARS, Huda Beauty, and Too Faced. One Face. Got something from Dr. Dennis Gross. This here is a blur and repair cream. I have to read up on it. They give you little cards, so I'm gonna read the cards to see how you use this. It has this type of applicator because you don't have to dig your finger in the inside. You just push it down like so and grab the product off the top. So yeah, I really like that. The Inculus, I had this before, so this is just like a restock. This here is a hyaluronic acid serum. Mascara, which is Tower 28. So yeah, that'll just go in my mascara collection. First Aid Beauty, this here is the Ultra Repair Cream. So this is more of a hand lotion. It's because she suffers with dry skin. Some from Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick. And if you don't know, this is what I use sometimes when I do my no makeup look. Like sometimes I don't feel like doing like a crease and all of that, so I'll just take the stick and rub it across my eye and I'm done. So I'm happy about that because that has been making my life so much easier. This here is Rosy Posy, and I think this is a blush, and I think there's a brush at the other end. Yeah, so it's a cute blush, like my type of shade. We got this here red, because this here red, when I tell you, looks good on every skin tone. And this here is the number 01 Always Red. Always Red. If you're looking for a good red lips for the holiday, I would highly recommend this here 01 Always Red by Sephora collection. We're getting down to the down. So this is by Milk. Okay, so I got a primer. This here is the newest primer for oily skin girls. This is a primer, you all. It helps to fill in your pores, and it's by Milk. The bubble wrap, so that means it's glass. I think this is new to Glow Recipe. Retinol blemish serum. So yeah, cute packaging. Glow Recipe has the cutest packaging, if you ask me. Like, so cute. Got something from the Clean Scent. Let's see what fragrance. Products. So we got the new Tarte color corrector, and I did get the color orange to use to color correct under my eye area. We got the new YSL blush, cream blush, and I like the applicator because you can dab on your cheek area and blend it like so. Brush. And I'm gonna blend it down like so. So I don't like to put on a lot because I'm not a blush girl. Like, I like for you to see my blush, but I don't want to be blushing. Like, I don't like that bam in your face type of blush, but I do like a blush, if that makes any sense. We got some good stuff, and where I can go through and read what things are, how you use them, and so forth and so forth. Ordinary, it helps fade visible dark spots in 3 weeks. So yeah, that's a good thing That's good to know. Yeah, yo, we got some good stuff. Like, we really got some good stuff. So that was everything that I got in my training products for the month of September. So if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.